5. Common myths about birth control pills. Myth 1. Birth control pills led to weight gain. Reality. Research indicates that while some individuals may experience slight weight changes, birth control pills do not typically cause significant weight gain for most users. Myth 2. You need to take birth control pills at the same time every day. Reality. While consistency is essential, most birth control pills have a window of a few hours for taking the pill daily without compromising effectiveness. Myth 3. Birth control pills cause infertility. Reality. Birth control pills do not lead to long-term infertility. Fertility generally returns after discontinuing the pill, allowing pregnancy when desired. Myth 4. Birth control pills are only for preventing pregnancy. Reality. Besides preventing pregnancy, contraceptive pills can regulate periods, reduce menstrual cramps, and improve acne for some individuals.
Myth 5. Birth control pills increase the risk of cancer. Reality. Studies show that birth control pills may have protective effects against certain cancers like ovarian and endometrial cancers. They might slightly increase the risk of certain others.